you to do is be my love, so don't give away my love, so don't give away my love, so don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love, so don't give away my love, so don't give away my love, so don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love, so don't give away my love.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Nettemariettee, and I'm back with another video, period. And today I'm gonna be taking out my braids and dyeing my hair. I'm not gonna tell y'all what color next. I'm not gonna tell y'all what color yet. I'm just gonna have to wait. But yeah, I'm just gonna watch the process. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this or not, or like it's gonna be an actual video, cause like, you know, I be on the phone with my friend, and like, you know, I don't know. But finna show y'all the stuff I got from the beauty supply store. Y'all, I don't know why the camera is gonna be like this because of the way I'm recording. Like, it's the thing up here. It's not gonna turn sideways, but it's not turning like I'm finna try to stop this and try to turn it and see if it worked. So hold on. It didn't work. So I don't know what's going on with my phone, but okay. So I bought some new edge stuff because this one is running low. So I got this one this time. I took it out the pack. I got an edge brush because I've been using this toothbrush and this shit, like, it's too soft. I need some bristles, need some hard so it can actually do an edge. So I got this one. I got some lip gloss because I need some. I was running low. I've been using Carmex, and Carmex make your lips like flaky, like, you know. So and I like this because it's not too sticky. It's like glossy. And I got pink for breast cancer awareness month. Yeah. And I also got some minks because, like, y'all, I can't wear lash extensions because, like, I just don't like wearing them, and I want to take it off when I want to and put it on when I want to. So I bought me some minks, real minks. Yeah, like you see from the side view, they look like they real, like, real minky. Yeah. And I also bought some hair dye. Yep, doing red. Crimson. I really should have got two crimsons because I think I had this one here, but I didn't know what red I had. So I had ruby red here. But really, I wanted like a crimson red. I really didn't want it like a red. But I don't know. Whatever color these two make together, it's going to be red. So. And I also bought some powder stuff, whatever, like the bleach to dye my hair blonde so it can turn red. And last but not least, I bought this, and this is gonna last a lifetime. This is gonna last a year for sure. Like, this gotta last a year. Like, this gotta last to like the freaking beginning of the new year, like, for because, like, come on now, like, how much gel am I using for? Like, my head not that big. Like, my head is as big as this. Like, so yeah, I had to upgrade to this. I never got this before. This is my first time ever getting a huge one. But like, I feel like it's a good investment because, like, instead of keep buying new ones, I could just pay one, you know, a full price for this. It was $15.99 too. So yeah. So that's all the stuff I got. And you know, of course, first we're gonna start with taking out my braids. So I'm trying to see, should I get back to y'all when they're all out? Or should, like, y'all watch me take them out? I feel like I'm gonna get back to y'all because, like, watching me take them out, like, you know. And this is gonna be like a little short video, just something to upload me dyeing my hair back red. Me going back red. Yes, I know my nails is white, but I have gloves, so yeah. Y'all, my iPad is dead. Like, I don't remember the last time this thing been charged. Like, I need to charge it. But oh wait, who FaceTimed me? Oh, Mario. Let's call him Mario. I'm not gonna tell her I'm dyeing my hair, so hold on.
Hi.
Hi.
See, y'all back at work.
Yeah. How'd that feel?
Yeah. I didn't miss it though. I ain't gonna care. I kind of missed it.
You missed it?
Yeah, because I can't, like, be sitting in the house all day.
Y'all, so I didn't record when I was applying the dye, but I put the bleach in my head. It's blonde and pink, and I think I'm actually gonna leave it this color for this October month because, you know, breast cancer awareness month. So I'm like, damn, I thought I was recording this whole time. But okay, so I didn't record when I was applying the dye to my head, But the dye's in my head now. The bleach or whatever. Not the dye, the bleach. The bleach. Not the dye, the bleach. The bleach is in my head now. And it turned into blonde and pink or whatever. And I was like, it is October, breast cancer awareness month. But the rest of October, I'm probably going to leave it like this. Whatever. I'm going to end up dyeing it red, but just not right now. So, we're going to wash my head. Run a little low, but this is enough. It's the neutralizing shampoo for when you color your hair. And I'm gonna wash it right here. And see, don't mind the dishes. I'm gonna wash it on this side, so y'all could just watch me wash my hair. And then we're gonna see the finished product, and I'm gonna style it and all this extra stuff. And yeah, we're gonna see how long this video is, because I don't think it's gonna be that long. Y'all, I had to start watching Jeffrey Dahmer, so I stopped vlogging and I was on the phone. So yeah, let me just move this stuff so y'all can see me. And yo, let's get this party cracking. I'm bad. What else was there? There's water leaking everywhere. But I was trying to be like a little t-shirt gal. Y'all know how the girls be having the t-shirts. I'm not doing that dumbass shit. Hair wrapped up. Whew. Throw this shampoo away. Clean the stink out. Even though it's not really none of it. This shampoo. Y'all, this shampoo good. Is all natural minerals from Target. It's called Raw Sugar. I should definitely purchase it. Blondie. Yeah, I'm gonna have to flip the whole video and turn it sideways, cause like, how the I don't know. I'm gonna have to see when I edit, cause it's not even the correct way. So, put this shampoo back. I'm trying to see conditioner. This conditioner, natural too. There's still soap on the side of my hair. Lather it up. Oh, my hair is super soft, and it's gonna be extra soft because of this. Look at this black piece, y'all, or this dark piece. But it's gonna be super soft because I'm putting this conditioner, y'all. This conditioner smells so good. I wish I could smell it through the freaking phone. Smell it, y'all. Smell good. smells so good. Hair all fresh and clean. What the fuck is that on my... Oh, sorry, y'all, for cursing. And parents, if y'all watching this, I'm sorry for cursing. At least I don't do it in front of y'all. That's all that matters, okay? And my hair smells so good and it's so soft. Ooh, wee. I whip my hair back and forth. I whip my... Oh, fuck no. Okay. I'm gonna wrap this back on my head. Got like a bald head, scallywag. And I'm gonna go upstairs and blow dry and finish watching Jeffrey Dahmer. What? Yeah. So I'm gonna see y'all when I'm done blow drying my hair. Y'all can see I use this towel a lot for all these colors I done did. But I'm gonna see y'all when my hair is blow dry. And y'all like my little fro. Like pickle good. Now if y'all don't know nothing about me, I like pickles. So I guess we forget about this for right now. Hold on. So yeah, I got Raging Red, Crimson Red, and Ruby Red. Like, I got all three different reds. Hold on. So I don't know how that was gonna go, but I don't have to worry about that anymore. So I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna leave this in for breast cancer month, like I said. Y'all, I got a little bit of eco left, so I'm definitely gonna use this. But definitely a good investment, because look at this, like, there's probably like one chunk out of here, like, this is crazy. But it's okay, because so I ain't finna need eco no more. Bro. It's not even blow dried all the way. But y'all, shrinkage is real, like, the freak. Oh, y'all, what if I got this straightened? I just want to see how it would look. And then, like, wet it. Because I'm pretty sure my hair would look... Probably gonna be do my go-to hairstyle, y'all. I always do the slick back bun with the curls out in the back. Should I leave curls out in the back? I think I am. Okay, I'm gonna get back to y'all when my hair is styled. I love how white my nails are. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when it's styled. And then, yeah, we're gonna end the video off there. So, no, okay. I'm not gonna do that ever again. Bye. Period. Fake bit up on my phone. I have finished product. Yeah. But this is the finished product. Hold on. Y'all, look at this stuff on my phone from Dahmer. I mean, for bleaching my hair. But this is the finished product. Y'all like it? Look at my waist. Period. But I don't know if this is gonna be the end of the vlog here or not. But if it is, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But don't forget to tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell their mammy. Period. And I will see y'all in my next video.